Welcome to Introduction of Decimals. So this week you're going to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals to hundredths place for accuracy. You may think that seems like a lot to do in a week, but we are going to take the basics that we've already learned about multiplication and division and addition and subtraction and add decimals to it. I did make a couple rhymes, and some of them you may have heard. For addition and subtraction, it's decimals, decimals all around. Add or subtract, line them up, ring them down. A past teacher, a friend of mine, used to say, line up the dots and give it all you got. All right. For multiplication, it's decimals, decimals, multiplication. Multiply the same. Count to find your station. And divide. Decimals, decimals, when you divide. Make it a whole number on the outside. Bring it up from the inside. We'll go over all these more in depth as we hit each topic. The last thing we're going over for the introduction is your I can statement. Okay, these are the things that you need to be able to say you can do by the end of the week. I can divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. I can move the decimal in the divisor to make it invisible. I can move the decimal in the dividend, the same as I move it in the divisor. I can multiply 2-digit numbers by a multi-digit number. I can count how many decimal places in each factor and place that many decimal places in the answer. I can add and subtract decimals by lining up the dots and giving it all you got. I can add zeros to the end of the decimals to make both numbers have the same amount of decimal places. I can bring the decimal straight down. Alright, so that is it for the intro. We will start with the next video on actually doing the processes.